How to record Google Meet video call on laptop. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna look on how we can record our meetings on Google Meet. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your browser and search for Google Meet, or you may just download the application onto your laptop and open it. After that, create a new meeting. For now, I'm just going to tap on this new meeting icon and tap on create a meeting. No, I'm just going to enter and tap on start an instant meeting for now for this video. So after opening, you should be able to see, you can see this your meetings ready notification. Just cross it out for now. After that, you should be able to see this interface. So here under activities, when you scroll down, when you tap on that option, you should be able to see the recording option if you have upgraded to premium. Since we have not upgraded in premium, we can't really see here the recording option. But if you want the recording option, you may just buy the plans of Google Meet, and you should be able to access to screen recording on Google Meet. You can just read these instructions right now I'm showing here on my screen. Likewise, you can also see requirements to record a video meeting on Meet. You can read these requirements, and after that, except for that app, you may just download any other recorder, screen recorder from Google. Just search for Google screen recorder and you should be able to download or record your meeting on Google Meet just like that. So therefore, by following this method, you can record a Google Meet meeting. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.